Hey everyone! You log into your Google Search Console excited to check your page experience and Core Vitals report. But instead of useful data, you're hit with this message. Not enough usage data in the last 90 days for this device type. Does this mean your site is broken? Is Google ignoring you? What's going on? In today's Google Search Central community video, we'll cover exactly why this happens, explain where Google gets this data from in the first place, and show you what you can do to test your pages even if you don't have enough data yet. So, let's dive in. When Search Console says no data available, it almost always means one thing. Your website or specific pages have not had enough recent traffic from real-world Chrome users to generate a report. This is not a technical penalty or an error on your site. It's simply a data threshold issue. Google only shows you this report when it's confident it has enough data to create a meaningful and accurate summary. If the traffic numbers are too low, Google won't create a report. So where does this data come from? It comes from something called the Chrome User Experience Report, or CrUX for short. The CrUX dataset is a public database that collects anonymous data about how real people experience websites. When users are browsing the web on Chrome and have agreed to sync their data and some usage statistics related to generating the report. Curious to learn more in details? Don't worry, you will find the resource link in the video description or in the community post. So this is known as field data because it's collected from users in the field on various devices and network conditions. It's not a lab test, it's the real deal. And this CrUX data is what powers the page experience and Core Web Vitals reports in your Search Console. So what do you do if your pages don't have enough traffic yet? You can't just magically get more visitors. The answer is to use a different tool that doesn't rely on historical field data. PageSpeed Insights. When you test a URL with PageSpeed Insights, it will first try to show you the CrUX field data, but if there isn't any, it will still run a lab test. This is a simulated test run in a controlled environment. It will analyze your page and give you a performance score and actionable recommendations to improve your Core Web Vitals, even without any real user data. This allows you to be proactive and fix potential issues before your page becomes popular. So, to recap, no data available isn't a penalty, it's a traffic threshold thing. This data comes from real Chrome users via the CrUX report. If you don't have enough data, use PageSpeed Insights to run a lab test and start optimizing today. And that's it for this video. If you're still having trouble, the Google Search Central Forum is a great place to discuss, available in many languages. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.